How to find your public IP address. All you need to do is open your browser and type "What is my IP?" Your IP would be a series of 4 numbers divided by dots. This is the address that represents your computer in the world. Your computer will also have an internal IP address. Follow these steps to see it. Click the network icon, then click the network again, and then click your connection. Now if you scroll down, you will see your internal IP address. You can change your internal IP address by clicking the Edit button, choosing Manual, activating the IPv4. Now you can enter a new address. Please note that the address has to be in the same range as the original address. In most cases, this means that the 3 first numbers have to be exactly the same. In my case, the subnet length would be 24, and the gateway would be exactly like the DNS. As an alternate DNS, I'm going to use the one from Google. Once done, click the Save button, and then you can see your new IP displayed. Another method to display your IP information is to activate the command prompt and running the command ipconfig. For additional information, run the command ipconfig/all. Here's another method to edit your IP information. Click the network, then click your connection, click Network and Sharing Center, then change adapter settings, right-click your adapter, and click Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Now click the Use the following IP address to choose an IP address manually. Enter your IP information, the subnet mask, default gateway, and the DNS servers. Once done, click OK, and then click OK again to save your settings. Like before, to display your IP information, activate the command prompt and run the command ipconfig. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.